Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix Little Nightmare is 3 not launching, crashing, freezing or showing the error on your PC.
Step 1. Close the game completely. Step 2. Open your GPU control panel, update your drivers to the latest version. Step 3. Go to Steam Library, right-click Little Nightmares 3 Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Step 4. Turn off Discord Overlay, Steam Overlay, and Xbox Game Bar. Step 5. Run the game as administrator, right-click, Run as admin. Step 6. If still crashing, open NVIDIA and settings and set power mode to maximum performance. Step 7. Reinstall or update DirectX, Visual C, redistributables, and Net Framework. Step 8. Restart your PC and try launching again.